All right, happy Monday. Here's the rundown for pre-calc this week. You'll notice I have the rundown next to me here on the video just to make sure we clarify a couple things. So today you're going to finish out 10.4, so make sure you watch the notes for day 2 of 10.4, and you just have to do page 2 of that worksheet. You should have done the front side with the day 1 notes, so this will allow you to finish the back side, and then go ahead and submit that worksheet. Some of you did page 1 already, but just submit the whole worksheet, and I'll put it in as 1 grade. On Tuesday, we're going to have a help session, and I'll do that at 11 a.m. Again, the code is PC Kosanke, and if you have any questions on that 10.4 worksheet or your quiz review, you can ask them then. Worksheet 10.4 is due on Tuesday by 11:59. Your quiz review will be posted on Monday, but I would work on that Tuesday. And then Wednesday, you do have your quiz. So Wednesday, I'm going to do a help session again at 11 o'clock. As soon as that help session's done, then the quiz will be posted. So if you have any last-minute questions on the quiz review or things you need to know on the quiz, go ahead and hop on Wednesday for that help session. So quiz 10.3, 10.4, that is due. That's going to be posted Wednesday. That is due Wednesday. Thursday and Friday to end out the week, you're going to have your review for the Unit 10 test. So we are not going to do Section 10.8 this year. We're going to skip that. So we'll post the test review. And with Memorial Day, your test will be next Tuesday, May 26th. I will run a help session that morning as well. So that's the rundown. Pretty straightforward week. You got the 1 assignment for 10.4, your quiz review, quiz, and then test review. All right, we'll talk to you later. Have a good week.